Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone and tech related content, video content too. If you're watching us, chances are you're interested in drones, tech, video editing software, all that stuff. We do all of it here at Eye in the Sky Drones. Today I want to talk about the time lapses on the Mavic Air 2. Of course, we have 8K time lapses and 1080p time lapses. There's definitely a jump between the two. Let's look at the footage from the 1080p time lapse. As you can see with the 1080p time lapse, it's pretty smooth. It's a great feature. You can choose your second intervals. You can choose how long you want your bird to fly, and of course you can do free flight, circle, and course mode, or waypoints. That's great for the Mavic Air 2. Now let's take a second to look at 8K time lapse. The first thing that you'll notice with the 8K time lapse is you can only do 6-second intervals as the lowest amount you can do. When 8K time lapses first initiated, there was a lot of features you couldn't do with 8K time lapses. It was a lot of settings that wouldn't work on a lot of computers. But now they had an update and it kind of squared off some of those things. But as you can see, the video is a little bit jumpy, and I think it's due to those 6-second time lapses. If you do an 8K time lapse on a windy day, your video may not come out that great. All right, that was a quick look at the hyperlapses using the Mavic Air 2, the 1080p and the 4K. Which one did you like better? Was the 8K, not 4K, the 8K. Was the 8K a little bit too jittery for you? In perfect settings and perfect conditions, it could be a great feature, but that 6-second intervals is a lot. The 1080p ones are crisp, but come on DJI, give us what we want, 4K hyperlapses. Well, that's all. As always, be safe and have fun flying. Thank you, and tune in next time.